C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. It's a puppy just singing along. Bum, bum, bum. It's the C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song.
What's that from?
SpongeBob. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. Just sing. Take it, Patrick. Good. Take it, Squidward. Good.
So yeah, now we can stay away from the fire since you fall a lot.
That's it, big.
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. It'll help if you just sing along. Bum, bum, bum. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D
Oh, it's getting out of control.
C-A-M-P-F-I-R-E-S-O-N-D song. It'll help if you just sing along. Take it, Patrick. Good. Take it, Squidward. Good. It'll help. It'll help. Hey,
Jen, how about you go for Chloe?
Why is she scared? Where is she?
She's right there hiding behind
Fire. It's okay, girl. She thinks she's gonna get burnt.
You're okay.
Oh, it's already going down.
Why? What was that?
Too dark.
Yeah. Maybe it was a little
Mine's
bit.
burned. Mine's burned, Daddy.
So is mine.
Mine's
I can't see it. It's too dark.
Oh crap, mine's on
Are you
fire.
gonna eat it?
It's on fire.
Ew.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's gross.
It's bubbling. It's melting.
It'll go out.
It is not there anymore.
Mine's burned.
That's how I cook mine,
Daddy.
because I don't eat them.
Mine's burned.
I don't
Look.
think I want to eat this one. It's black.
Careful, buddy.
I'm afraid to eat it. I might burn my tongue.
Don't like that one.
Did you even roast cook yours?
Yes.
She doesn't like it now.
Mine's burned, Daddy. Who touched this? Mine's burned.
Careful.
Mine's burned.
Ew.
I like mine just a little bit harder.
Don't get that close.
I'm gonna go get the chocolate and graham crackers.
Mine's burned. Whoa. Mine's burned, Daddy.
It's popping.
Daddy, look, mine's burned.
Here, want me to try?
Yeah, try to get it burned. Like Missy's. I put another one on mine.
Sean, look.
Brandon, you have to get her shoes on her.
Oh, yes.
No, they are.
Mine's on fire! Get to me!
Giant, come on.
Mine's on fire!
Don't swing it. Just hold it straight.
Mine's on fire, Kaya! It's all burned.
Now you have to eat it.
No.
Ew.
I'm gonna go shower.
They're coming out, Sean. Chloe said that she wanted to come out to roast marshmallows.
Melissa's on fire.
Guys, look, mine's burned!
You gotta eat that one.
No, I'm not. I'm getting a different one. Aw. I'm getting a different one. You now. Kayla, we help me with her shoes. She won't. I dropped mine.
I thought you said she wanted to lay down.
I dropped mine. It fell off. Kel, can you help me? She won't squeeze her foot in. Daddy, mine fell off. Kayla. Daddy, mine fell off.
We'll get a new one.
Okay. Kayla. Here, come out and let's have Kayla help you. Wait here. Kayla, what? Help Chloe. because she won't do that for me.
Oh, Sean, you're knocking my Chloe, sit down on the chair.
Don't touch it.
Burn yourself.
No, help her.
I'm doing something. You do it.
She won't do it.
You're touching my food.
It's too scary, huh? Fire. Careful, buddy.
Just go inside. She'll be asleep before.
It's so hot.
She won't be tired. Mommy can come home and get her.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No, not that way. Come on.
Look on fire!
The fire's blowing this way. Go over here.
You like it? I can't open up the marshmallow. I want to run on fire. Yes, those are things that are popping out. Okay. Now we can't fly.
Get yours hot and good.
I need one.
I have to open up this.
I need a stick. Daddy, I need a stick.
I gotta find one.
Last time, let's be careful. Don't put your whole thing in there. That would burn you really bad. Don't want to do it. You have to put See?
Mm-hmm.
It's on fire. No, I want to touch it. You want to touch it? It's hot?
No, it's hot.
Yeah. It's hot? Yep,
Yeah.
it is so hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'm going to put my marshmallow a little more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Put mine a little more.
Hurry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have to go potty. Now I can't eat yours now, okay?
You're trying to go.
I was trying to get it out.
What are you doing?
I was trying to go to the bathroom.
I just stepped on a marshmallow. Don't throw them on the ground. Sticky. Now it's all over the carpet.
Got the bonnet.
Not too close.
Okay, mine's good. Mine's good. Chloe, look, a fly. It's right there, Chloe. It's not me. No, it's over there. I want one of the snakes. Hey, mine fell off.
What? You alright?
Chloe, you want a s'more? I made you a s'more. It's chocolate and a marshmallow and a graham cracker. Here, hold it together. I want one too. Okay, you want me to make you one? It's hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
Blow on it.
I don't want one. You always only look hot. I know, I'm making you. No, not hot. Gotta blow on it a little bit though.
Like that?
Like it. I want it. I don't want okay. I don't want you to.
Try to eat it now. Should be cold. Ew, bug's biting me.
Got marshmallow on the bottom of my shoe.
Don't want it. Why? She only wanted the chocolate.
Melissa, you look like a hog. What the heck? You don't like it?
I don't like it. Who wants it?
Nobody's in there.
I don't want to waste my food. Who wants it?
Eat it.
I don't like mine, Daddy.
Watch Sean.
I don't like mine too. Here, Bo, I'll go in and sing. Let me make myself s'more.
Are you tired?